Kita na sa toyo eh.
Orang anak.
No toyo.
Grandma gotta peel that hot dog.
Is this with plastic?
Plastic.
Honey, tell Grandma don't be hiding from the camera. She's trying to hide the hot dog from the camera.
Gerak bagus. Gerak bagus. Ayo gobong. Marcus! Pantang tanga to.
What are you doing under there, babe? What's she doing under there?
Go get all the toy. Mga tanga to. I'm struggling in here about that. I will go.
Oh, there's toys under there?
Yeah.
Easy, baby. That's a big one.
Who's that in there?
Oh, let me help you in there, babe. Let me help you.
Ayaw ba? Eh,
You got a mosquito, babe. How all those toys get under there?
foolish thing.
Please.
Come on out of there, big girl. I'm sorry, let me jump on the bed.
Nah. So why you guys?
Let me see what happens if I jump on the bed.
You in here. You in here. Then I jump in the bed. There.
Maybe it's got a bed got a weight limit. You want me to just move the beds? It'll be easier.
Gosh.
Huh? Can I show you a trick, baby?
No.
All you had to do is move the bed.
Naipit ko talaga.
That's all you had to do. Baby,
Luway ka, Marcos. Nagpahirap ka
I'm
ako
just trying to
din.
help you, baby.
Atay ka, Marcos.
Where's my
You
nose?
crawling under there like a tunnel rat. All you had to do was move the bed. You want me to move the bed? I would have told you that, but I really needed this footage.
Sabi na, hawa, Maria, maipit ng tail mo. Hawa. Hawa. They have eco in here.
Have an ego. See, there you go. That's all you had to do was move the beds.
Tay, Marcos eh.
Good job, Fatima. Thank you for the entertainment.
Hawa, Marcos. This one ba? Put this in the...
Are you leaving?
Yeah.
I you leaving right now?
Baby, please don't go.